How to fix the media keeps stopping error on. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down to end, click on settings. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down to end, click on developer option, search media setting from here. You will see, click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so again click on settings tab. Now in settings, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on OK. And after click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.